Okay, so yung first kong ginagamit is a concealer. Sometimes I use this Fit Me Maybelline concealer. Sometimes itong Instant Age Rewind. But for today, ito gagamitin ko si Fit Me. And I'm using the shade Sand Sable. So, just apply it parang ganyan. Then, put a little bit on your chin and on the nose. Then, just blend it with a sponge. Okay, so now that na-blend ko na lahat ng concealer na nilagay ko, I just use my MAC Studio Fix and I'm in the shade NC30. Tap off. Parang hindi naman sobrang lala. Ganyan lang. Parang i-dab mo lang siya sa skin. For bronzer, I'm just gonna use this LA Girl Blush Collection in Spice. So, ayan. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Tap off the excess. Just apply. I put a little bit here on my forehead. A little bit dito sa jaw. Ang init. Yeah, so pawis na ako. Hindi pa ako tapos ng makeup, no? So, good luck. Blush. So, for blush, I'm just gonna use the same product. Pero itong blush naman na to. Kasi medyo may pagka-peachy siya. So, good for morena skin. Muna dito sa apples of the cheeks. And then, you blend. Okay, so now we're done with blush and sigurado ako nababahala kayo sa kilay ko. And don't worry guys, ito na talaga. Magkikilay na talaga ako. Gagamitin ko si BLK Cosmetics in the shade Natural Brown. Maganda dito kasi may spoolie, so good for everyday. Lalo na pag nagmamadali ka, diba? Then, I'm just gonna use the spoolie to blend. I'm just gonna finish my other eyebrow and I'll be right back. This is from To the 90's collection called Intense Color Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Slammin. This has two shades. The other shade is called The Bomb, which is kind of a... ano nga ba yun? It's a cool tone brown, yung The Bomb. So this is Slammin. And this is Hello. So this is the old one and it's shimmery. And this is the new one and it's a matte finish. So me personally, I like matte finish sa eyeshadow. I mean, I love yung mga shimmery but mas gusto ko yung matte kasi it looks more subtle. Let me just apply it on my eyelid. Konti lang guys kasi itong product na to, grabe siya. Let's put a little bit here. Ayan. And then we're gonna blend it with a ring finger. I wanna build it up para pack na pack yung color. So, I'll put it there. So, ayan siya. With 2 layers. You just have to really blend fast kasi nga mabilis siya matuyo. Pwede natin siyang ilagay sa baba ng mata. And konti lang guys. As in dots lang. And then blend it again with your ring finger. I love it on my eyes. It just open my eyes and make it more vibrant, more alive, alam niyo yun. So now, we're done with applying the eyeshadow. So, oras na para sa mascara. So, this is the BLK Cosmetics Mascara. Love the new design. Parang boombox. Isa lang yung shade. It's called OMG and it's a black mascara. And let me just show you the wand. Ito siya. And pala, wait lang. Disclaimer. Ngayon kasi naka-lash lift ako. So, diretso mascara na. Pero yung lash lift ko, wala yung tint. As in, lift lang ng lashes. So, let's apply it. Katakot. Oh my gosh. Nakikita ba kayong difference? What do you guys think? Tingin nyo ba effective siya? And for me, kasi diba ano to? Volume plus lash extension. Sa volume, to see volume on your eyelashes, you really have to apply it from the roots. Para talagang magmukhang makapal. Sa lengthening, medyo tingin ko hindi naman humaba. Tignan yung lashes ko. So, that's my opinion. It works differently naman for everyone. So, yes. So, let me just apply it on the other side of my eyes. I mean, my eyelashes. Nakalimutan ko palang mag-contour ng ilong. So, wait lang. Contour natin ng konti. Kaya lang kasi yung oily ko. Oh my gosh. Kumikintab na ako. Pero sige, mag-highlighter tayo. Ang gamit ko pala ay Dior na Dior Skin Luminizer. And ang shade niya is Holo Gold. For my lips, ito yung gagamitin ko. This is also from the BLK Cosmetics To the 90's collection. And according dito sa kanilang website, they have 3 shades. So, ang nakuha ko is si As If. Yung dalawa pa is Totally and Puya. Yes, so ito siya. Ito yung applicator. Yan siya. Ang pangit ang swatch ko. Sorry. Ito siya. Nabe-blend siya. It's very blendable siya as you guys can see. This can also be used on the cheeks and as eyeshadow. Pero, of course, it will not be as pigmented as dun sa intense color na eyeshadow nila. Apply na natin. This one is super thin. Comfortable na sa lips. Like, grabe. This is not a liquid lipstick na as in yung full on. Personally, gusto ko talaga full on lipstick. Or whatever, if it's lip tint, gusto ko my whole lips are covered with color. So, this is my second layer. So, ayan siya with 2 layers of product. So, this is the final look. So, ayan. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Salamat ulit, guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!